In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your birthday on LinkedIn. Whether you're looking to keep your personal information more private, or simply want to reduce the notifications you receive, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the LinkedIn website. Once you're there, you can sign in using your Google account or continue with your LinkedIn account if you have one. Occasionally, LinkedIn might ask you to complete a CAPTCHA for additional security, but don't worry, this is just a routine check to ensure you're not a robot. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your feed, the main hub of activity on LinkedIn. This is where you'll see updates from your connections, suggested articles, and of course, job postings relevant to your interests. Now, to get to the crux of the matter, you'll want to access your profile directly from your feed. To do this, look for an option that highlights your profile. It might be an image of you or a me section. Click on this to proceed. Once you're viewing your profile, the next step is to click on View Profile to go into a more detailed view of your information. This is where you can see your entire LinkedIn presence, from your connections to your endorsements, and crucially, your contact and personal information. Speaking of which, the next step involves clicking on the contact info section of your profile. This section houses your email, phone number, and other personal details, including your birthday. Within the contact information, you'll need to find and click on a highlighted option that allows you to edit this information. LinkedIn's user interface can vary, but it's typically a button or link that says edit or shows a pencil icon. This is the crucial step, editing who can see your birthday. You'll see an option that defaults to all LinkedIn members, implying that anyone on LinkedIn can see your birthday. Click on this and you'll be presented with various privacy options. Select Only You to ensure your birthday is visible to you and you alone. This is an important privacy setting that gives you control over who sees your personal data on LinkedIn. Finally, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is usually located at the bottom or top of the section you're editing. Clicking on Save will apply your privacy preferences, effectively hiding your birthday from anyone but yourself on LinkedIn. And there you have it. You've successfully modified your settings to hide your birthday on LinkedIn. Remember, taking control of your personal information online is crucial in today's digital age. Whether it's for privacy reasons or personal preference, knowing how to manage what others can see about you is empowering. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more tips on managing your online presence and making the most out of professional networking platforms like LinkedIn.